Hey, welcome to Teo's Take. Today I have another unboxing for you. One of the newest high-tech gears. This is a projector. It's an electric projector with a 360 adjustment, and it's under $200. It's an amazing little device. The reason I bought this thing because every summer we have our traditional backyard parties, which be all these years we've been using a 65-inch, one of the old TVs we had, a Samsung TV. It worked great, but you know, as it gets popular, these parties gets popular, we were like getting more and more friends and family coming over, so I needed a bigger projector type of device or a bigger screen. So I went ahead and checked out all these things and anything around that, the size we're looking for, which is around 200 inches, anywhere from $400 and up, and I really didn't want to budget that kind of money for backyard parties in the summer. So I coincidentally came across with this amazing projector. It's made by a company named MEER, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and let's see what's going on. And this is the projector itself. It's super cute. It has little yellow accents, has a little stand with the 360 on it. It has a built-in speaker. It's an excellent product. It just serves the purpose that I'm looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box and let's go see what's going on. And if you have any questions about this product, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be happy to share with you what my experience is. And let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, this is the box. It came in super simple. I like how you know, simply beautiful it is. Has a TFT LCD technology. Resolution is 1280 by 720. Light inside the projector is LED. It has electronic focus, and the projection distance is 0.95 meters to 6.35 meters. If you want to multiply to find out how many feet it is, it's around a little over 18 feet distance you can go. Screen size, you can go as small as 29 inches to 200 inches. And aspect ratio is 6.16 by 9, 4 by 3, and out of it. And you need electricity for this. It's not one of those rechargeable ones. And it's super light, you guys. All right, let's cut the chase and open this. And it comes with the 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. And when you open the box, you're greeted with a user guide. And highly recommend you guys to go ahead and read this. It comes with the projector, remote, user manual, HDMI cable, and power cable. Very cool. I like the fact that there's a 360-degree handle on it that you can actually adjust it any way you want. Here's the HDMI cable. Go ahead and open it, get this out of the bag. Looks like a standard HDMI cable. Nothing special, but hey, I don't mind having one. And here's the power cable, 2-prong. And here's the star of the show. And this one called model number YG390. And at the bottom, there's like a tripod mount. You can actually mount this on something. And here's the handle I'm talking about. All right, let's put this aside. And here's the remote. Yeah, guys, a simple, super clicky remote. Looks very much like my older Shield remote, a little on the thicker side. And let's see if they included any batteries. Doesn't feel like it. It feels super light. Yeah, no batteries, but hey, no biggie. Takes two AAAs to get going. All right, let me put this box away and let's dive right in. All right, I love this color. It's kind of like a faded orange, and it has a remote infrared eye over here. You can actually see it with the remote. Here's the projector light, power button, and here's the brand, MEER, M-E-E-R. And here's the back of the device. You have power connection, and you have a USB port, an HDMI port. This looks like a 3.5-inch audio port. And here's another infrared eye, in case if you're remotely controlling it from behind, which is super cool idea. Love it. So you don't have to lift your remote up high or any of that stuff in order to make this puppy going. All right. And here's the handle. It's super cool. It's a stand slash handle. It sits just like this. Whoop. Very cool. I'm very excited. It's all made out of plastic, and surprisingly nice. These orange parts at the bottom of the feet feels a little soft, so to stop the slippage, I guess. And you can hang it from here. You can mount it on some sort of tripod or a special mount that you can, if you have one already. And here's the power button. And this thing, the best part, works with your cell phone. You can even do AirPlay through this, which is amazing. All right, you guys, this is the MEER 360 projector. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line at the comments. I'll be happy to go ahead and answer you and let you know what's going on with it, how it works. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And that way you can see my next videos, my upcoming videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.